How to use the cruise control on a Hyundai i30, also called a Hyundai Elantra GT. This is the 2022. We're going to control it all from right here using this string of buttons here and levers here. So what we're going to do is, from normal mode, one tap of the mode button will activate the cruise control. It won't be on yet. It won't actually put you in cruise control yet. And then whenever you're at the speed that you want, if you just tick this up, then that will turn the cruise control on at that whatever your speed you're at. Once you're in cruise control, it'll hold that speed, and you can actually speed up or slow down. It's just going to stick at whatever speed you put it at as you go up and go down. You can just change your speed via the up and down arrows here. And then if you're driving and you need to pause the cruise control, you don't want to totally turn it off and have it forget what it was at. Like say you're at 100 miles an hour, 100 kilometers an hour. If you just hit this button here, it will pause it, and you'll just be coasting. There'll be no cruise control power. And then if you're ready again for it to go back up to 100 kilometers an hour or 60 miles an hour, you just hit this again and it will resume it. That's really all there is to it for the cruise control. So anyways, if this video helped, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this on this car.